ACO Profiline is a linear drainage system designed for suspended slabs, particularly flat roofs, green roofs, terraces and balconies. Profiline is a channel and grate system and is available in both grade 304 stainless steel and galvanised steel for subsurface and surface drainage. It is designed to be positioned above the membrane and drains water directly from the pavement surface or down a façade via the grate. Perforations in the side walls of the channel allow water that is percolated through the pavement of all flooring materials to drain. Profiline allows for flexibility between the design and installation phases, as channels are available with an adjustable height function. The system is modular and can be laid quickly and economically. The drainage mat is cut to size and laid on top of the waterproof membrane. This is a stiff structure which, when filled with shingle or gravel, will limit the mobility of the shingle and provide added support for the channel. ACO Profiline can also be installed in applications with sand or very fine gravel. For these applications, we recommend wrapping the channel in a geotextile membrane to prevent the fines entering the channel. Alternatively, ACO Profiline can be installed with paving supports in place of the gravel bedding. The end caps are clipped onto the channel and the channel is installed placed on top of the gravel. Gravel is placed around the channel. To bring the channel to the correct finished floor level, the channel is adjusted to the desired height using a screwdriver. Channels feature interlocking end profiles to prevent channels pulling apart. The Profiline adjustable length assembly eliminates the need to cut the channel to size on site. This gives up to 500 mm of variable length. The base channel is laid and other Profiline channels laid inside, leaving the desired additional length clear in the middle. The top rail is then installed over this section. The flexible length can be modified easily. The ACO Profiline system is also available with an adjustable corner fitting up to a 90-degree angle, which is a useful addition to the wide product range. Next, the paving slabs are installed. This is followed by a final adjustment of the channel height to suit the finished floor level. Finally, the grates are inserted and locked into position. If the connecting roof or balcony drain cannot be ideally situated, drainage ducts can be used to discreetly direct the water to the required location. The drainage duct is laid butting up to the Profiline slots and is secured and hidden by the overlaying gravel. A roof drain is connected to the access unit to remove water from the roof. An access unit ensures easy access to the roof drain for maintenance purposes. The final height of the access unit can again be adjusted. Further depth can be achieved with extension pieces to create the desired overall height. ACO Profiline is used for rainwater drainage in a variety of applications for all types of suspended deck or slab constructions. ACO Profiline is a high quality product with a brilliant finish and great installation features.